Looking to reduce electricity bills and embrace clean energy? The best solar panels for home use combine high efficiency, durability, and easy installation. With modern designs and reliable performance, they provide long-term savings while supporting an eco-friendly lifestyle. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Renogy 200-watt solar panel. The Renogy 200-watt solar panel stands out as a high-performance, space-saving option for residential rooftops, RVs, and other off-grid applications. Its standout feature is shadow flux anti-shading technology, which maintains stable power production even when parts of the panel are shaded by trees, chimneys, or stains. This technology dramatically reduces hotspot risks and minimizes energy loss, ensuring that you continue to get reliable power output in less than ideal sunlight conditions. Underneath the glass, Renogy uses advanced N-type solar cells combined with 16BB busbar technology to achieve a 25% conversion efficiency, among the highest ratings in its class. That means more usable power per square foot and better performance over time compared with conventional P-type cells. In addition, the cell design resists microcracks and limits hotspots, extending the panel's operating life. Its compact and lightweight design, 7% smaller and 10% lighter than comparable PERC panels, makes it especially useful where installation space or weight is limited, such as on smaller rooftops, RV roofs, or marine decks. Despite its smaller footprint, it still delivers the full 200 watts of rated power, giving you portability without compromising performance. Finally, its IP67 rating and advanced encapsulation material protect against water vapor, heavy rain, snow, and small hail. Whether you're reducing your household electricity bills or powering an off-grid adventure, this panel provides long-term reliability, high efficiency, and peace of mind. Number 2. Callsun 400-watt solar panel. The Callsun 400-watt solar panel is designed for users who want maximum output from a compact footprint. Built with cutting-edge N-type solar cells and 16BB busbar technology, it delivers up to 25% conversion efficiency, outpacing many traditional panels. The bifacial construction is its signature advantage. A transparent backsheet captures sunlight from both sides, direct, reflected, and diffuse rays to increase your total power output by up to 30% compared to standard monofacial panels. This makes it ideal for homeowners or van lifers who want to squeeze every watt of energy from limited roof space. Callsun also incorporates twin-cell anti-shade technology, splitting the panel into two independent halves. If one half is shaded by a tree or vent, the other half continues to generate electricity, boosting shading tolerance by as much as 50% and reducing the risk of a full power drop. Measuring 51.3 by 30.3 by 1.4 inches and weighing just 23.8 pounds, the panel balances power and portability, fitting perfectly on Class B vans, small rooftops, or other tight spaces. Pre-drilled holes on the back streamline installation on large rail mounts or custom brackets, making the process faster and more secure even for DIYers. Number 3. EcoWorthy 200-watt solar panel. EcoWorthy's 200-watt solar panel is a versatile kit aimed at homeowners and off-grid enthusiasts who need an all-in-one package with reliable performance. Capable of delivering about 800 watt-hours per day under 4 hours of full sun, it's a solid option for RVs, caravans, marine use, campers, electric scooters, golf carts, tool trailers, or as a backup power supply for cabins and sheds. Its high-performance monocrystalline cells achieve up to 21.5% efficiency under sufficient light, offering dependable output without demanding a huge footprint. The panel itself measures 35.2 by 23.1 inches and features a corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy frame, allowing it to withstand decades of exposure, including strong winds, 2400 PA, and heavy snow loads, 5400 PA. An IP65 rated junction box provides complete protection against moisture and dust, adding another layer of durability. What sets this kit apart is the included hardware: 2 100-watt mono panels, 2 sets of Z mounting brackets, a 30A solar controller, 1 pair of 16.4-foot 10 AWG solar cables, 1 pair of 2-in-1 connectors, and 1 pair of 4.92-foot tray cable. Pre-drilled holes and plug-and-play connectors make installation quick and straightforward, even for users new to solar setups. Number 4. Eco-worthy 100-watt solar panel. The eco-worthy 100-watt solar panel is a compact yet powerful option for DIY solar projects or for extending an existing 12V or 24V system. Its pre-installed bypass diodes in a waterproof IP65 junction box minimize power loss caused by shade, ensuring consistent performance even in low light conditions. Using PERC technology, it boosts cell efficiency to 23% by enhancing sunlight reflection and improving utilization, which translates into up to 1,600 watt-hours of daily output under 4 hours of sun. Impressive for a panel of its size. Built for long-term durability, it withstands high winds of 2,400 Pa and snow loads of 5,400 Pa. Impact-resistant tempered glass, waterproof components, and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame promise a 25-year lifespan. Eco-worthy ships each order in 2 separate packages with corner protectors and pearl cotton for safe delivery, ensuring the panels arrive intact. Designed as the basic generator component for 12V, 24V battery charging, this panel fits on-grid, off-grid, and hybrid systems for homes, gardens, RVs, boats, or agricultural use. Lightweight construction with plug-and-play connectors and pre-drilled holes on the back make it quick to install, even for beginners with no prior experience. Number 5. Renogy 24-volt solar panel. Renogy's 24-volt solar panel is engineered for efficiency and flexibility, making it ideal for off-grid systems in hot or space-constrained environments. Delivering 200 watts of power from a form factor that is 7.5% smaller and 11.7% lighter than previous models, it's perfect for Class B vans and other compact installations. At its core are advanced 16BB cells with a 25% efficiency rating, which enhances energy conversion and minimizes microcrack risks for superior performance, particularly valuable for long-term use. Its 24V design reduces current loss and boosts system efficiency, enabling more power generation even on cloudy days. Compatibility with both 12V and 24V batteries offers flexible installation options across a wide range of setups. Another standout feature is its low temperature coefficient, which ensures excellent performance in high temperatures and makes it an ideal choice for off-grid use in hot climates where conventional panels may lose efficiency. Despite its compactness, the panel delivers robust, reliable output and can handle challenging conditions thanks to Renogy's proven build quality and weather resistance. Whether you're upgrading an existing array or starting a new system, the Renogy 24-volt solar panel combines high efficiency, flexibility, and durable construction to deliver dependable, renewable energy for years to come. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.